use the Clone Stamp tool right here to repair those white marks on this old photo. And you get a little clone stamp circle that you can change the radius, make it bigger, make it smaller. It's a little too small. I'm going to make it a little bigger. Okay, then left click in the photo on the area that you want to clone, and then start left clicking to stamp. I'm just going to copy that area that I cloned over these white marks. Okay, that looks pretty good. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.